Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Over this few period of time, we have handled lots of food. We have tried we have tried army stew, but today we are going to do something special. We'll be having a 24 hours mission to look for pure food, protein, stamina related energy food. So to fulfill this mission, we have traveled along the Han River. We will be having lunch at this popular shop. As you can see, they are all chopping up the chili, makes you wonder what's it later. But you can expect that this dish is definitely going to be very spicy. So our food is being served. To put this meal on top of the table is literally a workout because it's really heavy. It's called gamjatang in Korea, which means a mountain of pork bones being peeled together, and it's served with some dried Nepal cabbage, potatoes, onions, and this whole pot, right, is literally bigger than my entire head. It's really big in portion. Back in the days, gamjatang is originally a cheap high protein meal for the normal folks, but right now it's like the king of hangovers to cure and solve stamina issues. Look at all this smoke that's coming out from this steam. To me, it looks like a volcano that's waiting to be explode at any time. Make sure that all the ingredients are being spread up equally so that they got their chance to be boiled to perfection. And this is the second dish that we ordered. It's a dried version of the same dish, more spicy with more chili inbrewed. So let's stick back to our first one. We will be starting with some cabbage that's dried and it has absorbed a lot of broth inside. And now let's try out our meat. It is part of the bone side, so it is actually tender, but after being boiled for hours, it's very lean, and a slight push, right, can just get the meat to drop off right from the bones. Very soft. Of course, for friends who prefer to use their hands, please go ahead. I just like to use it with my chopstick to show you guys that how tender it is. A note here for friends who can't handle spice, this is really spicy, so make sure that you prepare cold water beside to cool off the heat. The soup have been boiling for a while, where all the flavors have been mixed in, so it's a good time to add in some glass noodle, which is made from sweet potato starch, so that's why they look so transparent. It looks very nice. We're going to let it to soak up and suck up all the red and spicy broth. It's like eating spicy silk. Very good texture. But to be honest, this whole pot is just lunch. It's just starters. Keep watching because dinner is the next marathon. Another big protein dish. Now, time for the second part. For dinner, we'll be having this grilled chicken at this shop here. It's very popular and you can see they are grilling right here outside of the shop to prevent all the smoke from smoking out the entire shop and guests like us. The Korean culture of eating a chicken is very precise. They will eat every part of it, so you can order anything. It's all about chicken, but any parts of a chicken in this shop here. Of course, you can also do it yourself. You can DIY here, but there's a smoke sucker here that will help you to take out the smoke so that we can still keep our smell cleaned after the whole meal. I'll be starting first with a chicken thigh with a skin on it, so it's very crispy. Don't forget to add in the spicy sauce to go with it. There's a few parts of the chicken that we'll be grilling today. We will have the meat on the thighs, on the legs, and there's also wings and chicken breast. So there's also some exotic parts like chicken feet, chicken neck, and organs like liver and heart, which is what you are looking at right now, the darker color one. So we are leaving the meat to grill by itself right now on the heater. But before that, we are going to do some DIY rice balls. We are mixing in seaweed, sesame oil, and some corns. And you can mash and knead them as big as you want, as tight as you like. So I'm going to go in with this rice ball here with some salt. It will be perfect and good to go. Another grilled is being served right now. We are really eating every part of the bird. So this is wings, as everybody is very familiar with chicken wings. And the existing plate have lots of colors, so there's organs inside and there's also thigh meat inside. So I'm also curious with what kind of meat do you guys like? Do you like the wings, or do you like organs, or maybe like chicken breast or thigh? What do you like? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. This darker color meat is the organs, probably chicken liver, and I would say is very chewy. Something for a change. Another part of the chicken is a steamed egg, but it's also a stage of the chicken life after all. It's a great reset button for the taste bud between all the meat that we will be having. Later on, we'll also be having chicken feet, which is gonna be saved for the last, so be sure to watch till the end. Our chicken feet is being served. This is a love it or hate it dish. It's pretty crunchy and lots of collagen inside. Let's have a change of pace. Let's do a chicken wrap here. We will be using a perilla leaves as a base, adding some piece of chicken, garlic, and a little bit of salt for seasoning, and that's it. Wrap it up and we will be finishing with our chicken wrap. Alright, we are almost ending here. So it's a very satisfying meal for today. Lots of meat, lots of protein. And we are glad that you have been watching us, and hopefully you enjoy the video as much as I do. Subscribe to the channel for more content.